Hello, hi there, how are you? I know you are doing great. If not, I'm here to make your day. Okay, so I have a very good solution for acne's. Yes, you heard it right, acne's. And this solution doesn't have any side effect. I'm going to reveal this, but before that, I just need a small favor from you. That is, please like and subscribe to this channel if you found this video a bit helpful for you. Alright, so what we are waiting for? Alright, so I have used Good Vibes Sandalwood De-oiled powder. I have used it several times. Let me show you first how much I have used it. Okay, look, can you see? This is what I am left with right now. All right, I have bought this like nearly a year ago. Okay, it is, the MRP is 275 and you will get 18 grams of product. So how to use this? Not an issue. Just you can use rose water, any kind of rose water, or if you don't have rose water, generally I don't mix anything else with this sandalwood powder. I just add a little bit of water, normal tap water or filtered water, and just I apply it all over my face. It feels so soothing, all right, and later on, slowly, it cures all my acne. Yes, it does work and it doesn't harms your skin. It is, I'm telling you, it's cruelty free. All the Good Vibes products are cruelty free, no parabens and no sulfates. And this is all about sandalwood. Trust me guys, this is really nice. Any girl or man, anyone can use this. It will never ever harm your skin. Never. Alright, try this and let me know in the comments below, did it help you or not. Or one thing you can do, if you feel that this sandalwood powder you don't want to buy or something like that, I have a great solution for you. But I'm not moving away from the topic of sandalwood. That is sandalwood paste. During pujas, give we apply tikas with sandalwood and all. So simply that will also work. You need to understand very carefully that sandalwood or any kind of natural organic things takes a lot of time to work, but I can promise you that it will never give you any side effects. Okay, it will do wonders to your skin, and this sandalwood gives you a beautiful glow to your face. It's so nice. Okay, you will not become fair, but it is really good for your skin. It's like a food for your skin. Get this guys, you should have it. All the acne prone skin, all the oily skins, you should be having this in your Armida. This is really important, and I am a person who understands that what is the pain of having an acne, and it causes when you sleep, when you are lying on your pillow, you are sleeping, and if you are having a painful acne on your face, it is horrible. I know the pain. So trust me guys, this is the solution. Or you have the sandalwood paste, you can apply that, but remember, this will take a lot of time to heal, but it will definitely heal. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.